In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom Outlook screen, 5 minutes. If the text in Outlook ever feels too small or you just want a closer look at an email, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to zoom in using Outlook's built-in controls. We'll keep it simple and stick to the essential steps so you can follow along confidently. First, go to Outlook. Open the Outlook app on your computer or launch Outlook in your browser. Give it a moment to load your mailbox. You don't need to change any settings yet, just make sure Outlook is open and you can see your mail folders and messages. Next, click on Inbox. You'll find it on the left side of the screen in your folder list. Opening your inbox helps ensure you're viewing regular email content where the zoom control is most useful. Now select an email, click any message you want to read. The reading pane should display the content on the right, or the message will open in its own window depending on your layout. You'll want the message content visible so you can immediately see the effect of zooming. At the top of Outlook, click View. This is the tab that controls how things appear on your screen. It lives on the ribbon in the desktop app and in the top menu on many versions of Outlook. If you don't see it at first glance, look along the top bar for the word View. It's dedicated to display options. Within the view area, click on Zoom. This opens the zoom options for your message. You may see a zoom button, a zoom slider, or a zoom dialog depending on your version. The idea is the same across versions. You're about to tell Outlook to enlarge the message content you're reading. Finally, click the plus button to zoom in. Each click increases the percentage, making text and images in the message larger and easier to read. Watch the message as you adjust. Stop when it feels comfortable, such as 125% or 150%. If you go too far, use the minus button to step back down, or return to 100% to reset. Keep in mind this zoom affects the message content area, not the entire Outlook interface or the message list on the left. A quick tip, if you don't notice a change after zooming, make sure the message itself is selected and visible in the reading pane. Also, very high zoom levels can make images appear slightly pixelated. That's normal, and that's it. Go to Outlook, open your inbox, select an email, head to View, choose Zoom, and tap the plus button until it's just right.